Hi everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we're doing a MetaMask tutorial. We're going to be looking at downloading MetaMask, creating an account, storing your private key, and then we'll discuss some important security tips. The first thing we need to do is open the official website. That's metamask.io. Metamask.io is the official website. So whenever you're looking to install a new instance of MetaMask, just double check the URL metamask.io. And then we can click on download, install for Chrome. This will take us to the official Chrome Web Store extension page for MetaMask. Add to Chrome. Add extension. It's adding the extension right now. It'll just take a moment. And there we go. It's been added and it will automatically take us to the page that will help us set up our MetaMask. In order to create our account, we first click on Get Started. It's got some information here. We can either agree or no thanks. I will just agree. This is for setting up a new MetaMask instance for this example. If you already have a wallet that you created elsewhere and you want to install on this extension, you can go ahead and click here and it will ask you to import your secret recovery phase. But for today, what we're going to demonstrate is creating, or this is, sorry, opposite. This is the one that we'll use to import our wallet. This is for setting up a new one. So to set up a new wallet, we will create a wallet. It will ask us for a secure password. For this, we will just use YouTube demo 1, YouTube demo 1. Obviously do not use that, use a secure password. You can use a password generator to create a secure password, whatever you like. You can read through the terms of use if you like. And click create. It will give us some information about securing our wallet. You can watch this video if you like. It'll give you some more information. And it's got some security tips on the side here as well. You can pause or you can read them when you go to set up your wallet. But we'll just click on next for this video. And this is where it's going to give us our secret recovery phrase. This is the most important thing that you need to keep safe. We'll discuss more about keeping it safe, but we just click here to reveal secret words. Now this wallet, obviously I'm not going to use that because this is the ultimate key to this wallet. So if anybody ever gets this, I need to immediately transfer my cryptocurrency to a new wallet. So, but for this purpose, we will just copy this. And I've just copied it to a notepad for now because it's going to check here. If we click next, we have to select each phrase in order to make sure that it's correct. So we actually have to click the same words that were before, and they're just making sure that you've actually recorded this. So wash, bless, energy, home, brief, witness, fluid, lecture, expire, tiger, bone, quit. Now yours is going to be completely different. It'll be different words, different orders, things like that. But this is what mine is for the demonstration. So after we've confirmed that we've recorded these, we can go ahead and click confirm. And that's it. Got some more tips here. Again, you can pause and read these, or you can read them yourself when you set up your own wallet. But for this purpose, we'll just click all done. And that's it. We've officially created our MetaMask wallet. It's live and ready to go. It's got an address associated with this wallet. Everything is set up. Everything is ready to go. I can immediately transfer cryptocurrency in from an exchange or from another wallet and start using this. I can start receiving immediately. It is ready to go. It is fully set up. It's fully secured. So for storing the security key that we looked at previously, There are a few different ways to do it. Some people have a notebook that they keep in a safe or that sort of thing, or they just keep in a secure location where they write down the security phrase. Other people, you can purchase devices off the internet that will help you keep them safe. You can store them on a separate device that you keep offline, like an old cell phone or an old laptop that you don't use online that won't get hacked. Definitely do some research, check social media, see what other people are recommending for the top ways to keep your security phrase safe. Remember that anytime you're searching for information about security phrases or anything like that on social media, you're probably going to get flooded with bots trying to steal your information. Keep in mind, there's no such thing as the MetaMask support or anything like that that's ever going to message you. If anybody ever sends you a link, always double check it. Preferably you check it from a secure device that's not related to your wallet, because people are always on the hunt to steal your security phrase. So you have to be really careful where you store it and who you ever give it to. Never give it to anybody who claims to be support or anything like that. You just have to be diligent in keeping it safe and keeping it private. Lots of people write it down on a secure device and put that device inside of a safe or a safety deposit box, because if anybody gets your security phrase, that's it. They can help themselves to your crypto and immediately transfer it off. There's no way to reverse that transaction. Even if you were to report it to the authorities, there's nothing that they can do. That cryptocurrency is gone. So just, yeah, especially on social media though, if you type in security phrase, for example, if I type into Twitter, how do I keep my security phrase safe? Immediately I'm going to be flooded with private messages and responses from people telling me to click on a link and contact a certain person, and it's all a scam. So anytime anybody messages you regarding cryptocurrency or crypto support or MetaMask support, just assume it's always a scam. Never follow the links. It's all designed to get their hands on your cryptocurrency. So you really have to be really diligent in this. But as I said, that's it. We have installed our MetaMask wallet extension. So this is the extension. We can access this on other devices by importing our secret security phrase. So if I want to move this to another browser or I want to access it on my phone, I can access the same wallet on my phone simply by importing the secret security phrase. So keep that in mind if you do want to be able to access it on your home computer, your laptop for work, and your mobile phone. You can do all of that with your secret security phrase. So it is keep it safe, but also keep it handy if you do want to be able to access it from multiple devices. One thing you can do is set it up on all of your devices and then transfer that wherever you've got that recorded to a secure location. Some people do things like store it in a notepad, or they take a picture of it on their phone. These aren't secure ways to store it. It's convenient, but it's simply not secure enough. If anybody, there's ways people can access your files on your device pretty easily, especially if it's on your phone is on your person at all the times. So if you do want to use it, for example, storing it on another device, just make sure that that's a device that you keep in a secure location that you don't access the internet with, such as a spare phone or a spare laptop that you're not using regularly. But other than that, this is set up, it's ready to go. There is some more advanced features, but if you just wanted to transfer in some Ethereum, for example, it's ready to go. It's all set up, and you've officially got your MetaMask wallet set up and ready to go. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure if you're not already subscribed that you do subscribe. Hit the like button. If you had any questions, make sure that you're adding them in the comments. I do read the comments every day, and I will, if you need me to create a video about anything specific or you have any quick questions, I'm happy to answer them. And I hope to be creating more videos for you in the future, and I hope that this was helpful, and have a great day.